Today I'm going to show you Detnov fire alarm system programming kit. So this is how it looks. You can see. So this is where you will place a smoke detector, and you can give it an address. This cable is used to address the modules. So you'll connect the module and address the module. So what you do, so you first click here, it opens. You can see this one is Detnov. You have three options: element, loop, and setting. So for you to use it, let me remove this one. There are some buttons here. This is to turn on. Okay, this is to backspace. This is to enter. This is scroll up, scroll down. Okay, let's do it. Scroll down. You can see it's scrolling down. Scroll up. You can see it's scrolling up. You can choose either by pressing 1. Okay, if I want to return, I press this one, or if I want to return, I press this one. So I return to the element. I can press 2, back. I can press 3, back. Can scroll down one. There are only 3 options. Let's go one by one. Number 1. So I can press 1. So you can see it says set address. Set address, include device, input sensibility, resetable output. So these are the 5 options in under elements. So if you enter here, set address, you press this one. So this one now will give you an address. If I say 0, 0, 2, I enter after placing a smoke detector here. So automatically this smoke detector or heat detector will get address 00002. So if let's say another device was address 50, and I want to give it a new address, so the address 50 will display here, the current address, and now the new address. If I want to change it to, let me say, to address 40, I'll press 040. When I press enter, automatically the device picks the address. If it's for a smoke detector or a heat detector, it will pick the address. Then let's come here. Do you want to set the address? So if you just here, you just have to confirm the address. So read device. So you can read the device from here. You can see the address. It's blank because I did not place any device. You can also check the sensitivity of the. Then you can also program a resetable output. You can see, you can arrange it here. So basically this one allows us to program. So you can also read the analog value. So for you to see this one, you need to place a device. You will see analog value. Number 2, this power, my battery is too low. Second option is about the loop. Let me go back. Loop. I press enter. So localization, to locate. Okay, only device will be. Let's see what he's saying. Only localized at only one device will be localized at a time. Okay, that's output activation. So high consumption, use an external power supply. So this battery is too low. So number 2, Voila, this battery is too low, so we are at number 2. Loop quality, auto addressing. Okay, let's go to number 3, which is the setting. So you can see system setting, so you can navigate through these ones. Whatever I'm doing here, you can also do it on the Detnov panel. You can set language, like for me, I know English, French. I can decide to set it in French. USB updates if you want to. So basically, this one is used to address the Detnov fire alarm system. So it uses these batteries. You can see my battery is too low and it keep on shutting down. So if I change power, it's telling me to change power. You can charge it from here. There is a port here to charge it. So next time we'll try to program one device, a module, or you can see here. Basically, this one is to address. Once you address from this one, then you can easily connect it to the loop, and the panel will pick the address, and you can give it a location from the panel. Next time I'll show you how the Detnov panel looks like.